Hello everyone. So now I'm just going to cast the screen from my mobile device to the computer. So this is called AirDroid and I'm just casting my mobile to the computer. Let me get into a full screen mode. I'm just going to open up the Google Assistant, and this Google Assistant is available for both iOS as well as Android. Talk to Novigo TM.
Okay, let's get the test version of Novigo TM.
Welcome to Novigo TM. This system is connected to internal SAP T93 system. You can ask something like show me top 5 carriers for order 233.
I want to do carrier selection.
What is the order number you are looking for?
315.
How many number of carriers you would like to review?
4.
The top 4 carriers for the freight order is Swift Transportation, JB Hunt, Prime, SCTX LLC, DBA Smith Cartage, Quantum Transportation, LP.
Assign carrier Swift.
The carrier Swift is assigned to the freight order 0000000061000000315.
Open freight order.
Please check the dashboard for result.
I haven't opened the dashboard yet, so let me do this again. Open freight order.
What is the order number you want to open?
315.
Please check the dashboard for result.
Now you see that the freight order 315 is opened up in the system, and I assigned the carrier Swift, and that a carrier is also assigned here. And also the system went into the subcontracting carrier ranking and it read all the list of carriers which are listed over here. And now what I can do is I can just open up the tendering work list from here. Open tendering work list.
Please check the dashboard for result.
So now as soon as I went into the dashboard, do you see that the tendering work list is open?
How many number of carriers you would like to review?